Welcome back to my karting channel. This is GP2 Qualifying, and that was Ben Boyle at the start, one of the members at TeamSport Liverpool. Wanted to say hi. You might have seen him in my previous videos, I spoke about him before. So definitely go and watch his videos and my previous videos with Ben in. So like I said, this was GP2 Qualifying, and it was pretty much trying to set a quick lap time in order to get a good place on the grid. So it was 15 minutes long, this session. So we had 15 minutes to try and get a fast lap as possible. So these yellow flags actually lasted quite a while as we were coming out the pit lane, so I'm guessing someone might have had a problem with their car coming out the pit lane. But I think we go green under here somewhere. Can't really see the lights with the combat karts lights, but on track you can see the lights. There we go, we go green now. Just putting some heat into my tyres, trying to get some grip. And I didn't want to make the gap too big to the karts ahead, but I didn't want it too small to the point where I'd be catching up every single lap, because that's just not how you get a quick lap, because I would have just been slowed down. Because as you can see, I'm not sure what kart number it is, but the kart exactly ahead of me is being slowed down by a slower kart ahead, so it's performing a bit of a train really. So he just needs to get past as soon as possible, and then I can get past as well. See, he's being cut off in all points, and he just lets me past because he's not going to get any quick laps, and I knew I could just overtake him. So yeah, just watch in a second. I will get the move done on kart 20. He's at 20. That's 28, yeah. So I was just trying to get the better exits out of all the corners. I was gaining speed along here, but I got a bit of oversteer, messed up into there. But I know I'm much faster because you can see the amount of space I've closed on that one corner alone. Bit of human DRS, trying to get as much speed as possible. See the back end of his car or her car, I'm not sure if it's he or her, but back part of their car, the back end of their car was sliding around, coming along here, getting attacked by Lewis, so I just let him past because it's qualifying, you don't fight, and it's just unsportsmanlike to fight really in qualifying because you ruin someone else's lap. As you can see, Lewis is now all over the back end of kart 28, and I'm just sitting back watching really because Lewis obviously wants to get as high as possible, and so do I. So he's made the overtake. It was a pretty good overtake, I think. He was let past, but didn't let me past, so, and he spun out, and I thought I was going to go right into him. So there's a yellow flag now, and I didn't spin him out. I think he spun out, and then I just helped him spin round because I couldn't do anything really. I was right behind him, and he spun. So I tapped him around, but I didn't actually tap him. I think he spun, and then I just pushed him around because, well, I couldn't stop. So the lights go green, and now I've got a clear track ahead of me, and I've got a fast driver, which is Lewis, and he actually ended up beating my lap record, so I am no longer the lap record holder for the international track. So I told you it would have been beaten, but I will hopefully get that back from him because I know I can, because he didn't beat it by much, so I know I can definitely get it back. But yeah, in this session, Lewis, who was the car ahead in the black helmet, he was flying. He was consistently setting 48 laps, which is very good, because a lap that if you're going on the international track, you want to aim for low 49s, maybe into the 48s. So he was just absolutely flying, getting like I think the lap record's now a 48.6 something. Let me just get it. So I make the move on the kart with the yellow helmet, and Lewis's fastest lap was a 48.693. So it was only a couple tenths, a tenth off my fastest lap, which was the lap record. So the new lap record is 48.693. Yeah, you'll see every single lap Lewis is just gaining and gaining on me, because I was setting mid 49s, low 49s, where he was setting mid 48s really consistently. My laps were pretty much all over the place, because I got, my fastest was a 49.053, and then the lap before that was a 49.232, so that was pretty consistent. But then the lap before that was a 49.879, so my laps were pretty much all over the show. And yeah, I just needed to try and up my consistency, but I know I can. But I was just in some of these qualifying sessions, you spin it over the line, like just send the car over the line as fast as possible, which ruins your next lap, but hopefully it gives you a chance of getting a faster lap. So that can mess up your averages, but at the end of the day, you're going for a fast lap, you're not going for consistency. So I'm going to stop my voiceover now. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. So I'm back now, and I go for the inside, and the yellow flags go, and I make the move, but that's the session over. So I qualified second, and that means I start second on the grid for the race. And yeah, it was a pretty good qualifying session for me. Didn't get into the 48s, but I wasn't far off. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.